Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to change widgets on Android. Changing widgets on Android is a straightforward process. Here's a step-by-step guide. First, add a widget to the home screen. Go to the home screen. Navigate to the page where you want the widget. Access widgets. Long press on any empty space on the home screen until a menu appears. Choose widgets or a similar option. Scroll through the widget options. They are grouped by app. Tap and hold the widget you want, then drag it to your desired spot on the home screen. Adjust widget size. After placing the widget, long press it, then drag the edges to resize if supported. Next, remove a widget. Long press the widget you want to remove, then tap on the trash icon at the top or bottom of the screen. This action removes the widget from the home screen but doesn't delete the app. By customizing widgets, you can make your home screen more functional and visually appealing. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.